Hi y'all, welcome back to 100 Days of Halloween. I'm Neva from Manic Mama Musings. Welcome. If you are new here, I am counting down to, I started when it was 100 days till Halloween, and I'm counting down to Halloween. This week, or last night's movie, well, night before, because I'm sorry, I didn't come on yesterday. The heat's got me really, it's like 102, 100, it's real hot. And then I've been kind of in a funk because my hip was not supposed to have any pain left in it, and the shot didn't work. I don't understand why it didn't work, but it didn't work. And now I'm going to have to do physical therapy, and my hip still hurts. So I'm kind of bummed about that. Like, trying to, you know what I mean? Yeah. But anyway, y'all didn't come here for that. Y'all came here to talk about movies and see what I made. So it was actually the newer version, but only part one. But that's okay, because I like all parts of it, and honestly, it can stand alone as its own movie. It just kind of leads up to the fact that there's a second part, but it's good on its own. So 2 thumbs up. We always watch it. I always will. We always watch the original, and we always watch the new one for Halloween. So always, every year, watch that movie, no doubt about it. And this is what I've made. I used blanket yarn, y'all. Not just for love cats. I made a couple jellyfish. Same pattern. Just this was bigger yarn than this was. So, I really like this one, how it came out, the colors and stuff.
Those are cute eyes.
But this one, I love how big and squishy it is. And if you want to know what kind of yarn this is, that one's burnout blanket. I don't remember what color. This one is actually some of that loop it yarn. Y'all are going to think I'm crazy. I got gifted some loop it yarn, and I was not about to do the loops. So I cut them all and made them into just regular yarn. Yeah, it took me a while. So it took me a while to decide what I was going to make with it. And this is that's what I came up with. So there we go. I will link the tutorial to this jellyfish down below. It's an excellent tutorial. I give the tutorial 2 thumbs up. It's an excellent tutorial. And oh, what's the next movie? That's what we're supposed to be looking at. Hollow Man on Tubi. So we will be watching Hollow Man tonight on Tubi. And I will come back tomorrow with something else I made, I'm pretty sure. And stay spooky, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Mwah!